she's known in terms of who studied her work and what have people found in it. She's known as practically the first erotic woman writer. But there's also a lot of family things. There's also a lot of thinking, once again, about what's the world like. And so I would say that she's someone who was consistently aware of what were the relationships, interrelationships, men, women, women's status. You know, you asked before about politics, but the awareness of the challenges of the status of women at her time. And she was just, if you will, going to do it, whatever the it was. I mean, painting wasn't something she had ever done before, and yet she went in a very short time from a novice to somebody who was extremely accomplished and also who was acknowledged by peers. That's a description of a determined individual, of a strong temperament, and I think the children talk about that too. I suppose we, the grandchildren, could say, yeah, maybe I got some of that also. So if I have to tell somebody about her, I tell them that she was a very determined and strong and also overworked person. And, but check out, this is what's brought people to her. But it's a very, very significant and important thing that she was writing about erotic topics when no woman was doing that. And yet, there was so much more to her. And this, as I say, the art came later and fills out about a person. Oh, how'd she do that? And the fact that there's so much art as well as, oh, she made a lot. I mean, I have boxes, and everybody we know has boxes. So, or on the walls.